Welcome to the top best. The best Indian grinder is probably one of the most important kitchen appliances for anyone who loves authentic Indian food. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook eager to explore the vibrant flavors of Indian cuisine, having a reliable grinder is key. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Indian grinders, exploring what makes them special and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. PriorityChef Granite Mortar and Pestle Set. This heavy-duty, unpolished granite grinder is built to last. Carved from a single piece of natural granite, it's chip-resistant and will look great on your countertop for years to come. Make fresh guacamole, pesto, and more in the comfort of your home. This granite mortar and pestle set lets you create healthy sauces that the whole family will enjoy. This set has a 1.5 cup capacity and a sturdy 6.2-inch pestle. It quickly crushes, grinds, and pounds herbs, nuts, and spices, releasing natural flavors and aromas with ease. This unpolished granite is sturdy and heavy. To protect your countertop, we've included 2 non-slip countertop protectors to prevent scratches. Customers love using this set to crush garlic. That's why we've included a silicone garlic peeler, which removes those sticky, papery skins quickly without getting garlic fingers. What we like? This mortar and pestle set is built to last, crafted from a single piece of natural granite. It's perfect for making fresh guacamole, salsa, and pesto at home. If you like making fresh, homemade dips and sauces, this is the perfect tool for you. The included countertop protectors ensure that it won't scratch your surfaces, making it a great addition to any kitchen. What people say? Great product. Very heavy and sturdy. Works well. This bowl is better than I imagined. It's heavy, high quality and beautiful. It comes with instructions on how to season and care for it, and also comes with an adhesive pad for the bottom of the bowl so it can be pushed across your countertop with ease. Good size mortar and pestle, hefty and nice quality. No granite dust or tiny particles, rough finish for that good grinding. Number 4. Preethi Eco Twin 550 Watt Mixer Grinder. This is the Preethi Eco Twin, a powerful mixer grinder. It features a 550 watt motor, designed for efficient grinding. The 550 watt motor operates at 110 V, making grinding tasks faster and easier. It simplifies your kitchen work. The jars and blades are made of rust-proof stainless steel. This ensures the product's longevity and durability. It includes a 1.50-liter jar with a multi-purpose blade, which converts to a 1.00-liter jar. Also, it has a 0.50-liter chutney jar that converts to 0.30-liter. The product is UL approved for added safety. This feature sets it apart from other Indian brand mixies. Please note that the jars and blades may have markings or scratches. These are not defects but a natural result of the material. If you encounter any issues, try pressing the reset button at the bottom. What we like? This mixer grinder features a powerful 550 watt motor and rust-proof stainless steel jars, making grinding faster and simpler. It's UL approved for added safety, giving you peace of mind. If you are looking for a reliable and safe mixer grinder for everyday use, this is a great choice. It's perfect for grinding spices, making chutneys, and more. What people say? It has a warranty of 1 year. Mixer is very efficient and powerful. I make batter in bigger jar with dry wet grinding blade. It takes hardly 10 minutes. I usually put 2 cups of soaked rice at a time. Also, it's very easy to clean. I use smaller jar to make chutneys, dry powders, chili paste, etc. Even a small quantity of ingredients can be made into a paste powder without water. Number 3. Premier 1.5L Tabletop Wet Grinder. Want to enjoy light and airy dosa and idli? This wet grinder helps you make them from fresh, nutritious ingredients. It's perfect for creating delicious meals. This wet grinder features a high-power 200 watt motor. It is designed with high-quality stainless steel and food-grade plastic components. The unit is an elegant addition to any modern kitchen. The design combines tradition with efficiency, perfect for any modern lifestyle. This energy-efficient machine reduces grinding time by up to 50% without losing nutritional value. Easily make chutneys, vada, urad, dakla, and masa from scratch. You can also use it to create fresh roti, pasta, and tortilla dough. It's a versatile tool for various culinary needs. The wet grinder is lightweight and easy to disassemble and reassemble for cleaning. All components are food safe and BPA-free. This makes it safe and convenient to use. Make idli and dosa for the entire family. You can control the quality and quantity of your ingredients to create nutrient-rich batters. Prepare dishes directly from your pantry. Receive a complimentary coconut scraper and add a kneader with your order. It's the perfect wet grinder for Indian cooking in the USA. What we like. This wet grinder is designed to enhance any modern lifestyle, combining tradition with efficiency. It has a high-power motor and stainless steel drum, perfect for making idli and dosa. If you are looking for a wet grinder to make fresh and nutritious batters for your family, this is the perfect choice. It also comes with a complimentary coconut scraper and add a kneader. What people say. Works exactly as advertised. No problems so far and grinds well, compact and an overall good value for money. Much better than the Vitamix I used to prepare batter before. I use this to refine chocolate for homemade batches and for just testing out different chocolate recipes. Number 2. Preethi Blue Leaf Platinum 550W Mixer Grinder. Introducing the Preethi Blue Leaf Platinum, a powerful 550-watt mixer grinder. It's designed to make your kitchen tasks easier. This appliance is a must-have for any Indian kitchen. This mixer grinder operates at 550 watts, ensuring efficient grinding. It can handle various ingredients with ease. You'll find it incredibly useful for your daily cooking needs. It features stainless steel and polycarbonate jars. The jars are built to last and withstand regular use. This ensures the longevity of the product. The mixer grinder includes a heat-sensitive cutoff for protection. It also has a shock-proof ABS body. These features ensure safe operation. It comes with multiple jars for different needs. There's a 1.75-liter jar, a 1.5-liter super extractor jar, and a 0.4-liter grind and store jar. This provides versatility for all your grinding needs. The FlexiLid converts the 1.75-liter jar to 1.25 liters. It also has high-grade nylon couplers for smooth operation. These features enhance the overall user experience. What we like. This mixer grinder features a powerful 550-watt motor and stainless steel jars. It also has a shock-proof ABS body for added safety. If you are looking for a versatile grinder with multiple jar options, this is a great choice. It's perfect for a variety of grinding tasks, from wet grinding to dry grinding. What people say. We use this to grind all kinds of chutney, small jar, and dry grinds like masala powders. Works fantastic. And we also grind idli dosa batter with the bigger jar, and that works fantastic too. I bought this mixer grinder for making Indian foods like dosa, idli, appam, etc., as I need to grind rice for these. I found this grinder better than my previous one. Also, it's beneficial for grinding spices. Its powerful 750-watt motor effortlessly tackles a wide range of tasks, from grinding spices to blending smoothies. The 3 sturdy stainless steel jars are of top-notch quality and can handle heavy-duty usage. Grinding, mixing, and blending have never been so effortless. Number 1. Preethi Eco Plus Mixer Grinder MG 138, 3-jar. Introducing the Preethi Eco Plus Mixer Grinder. This appliance is designed for efficient grinding. It's perfect for your kitchen needs. The mixer grinder is equipped with a powerful 550-watt motor. This ensures it can handle various grinding tasks with ease. It delivers consistent performance. It features 100% stainless steel jars. These jars come with flow breakers for fine grinding. They are durable and easy to clean. The steel blades are machine ground and polished. This design maximizes grinding efficiency. It ensures a smooth and consistent grind every time. This mixer grinder comes with 3 stainless steel jars. It is suitable for wet and dry grinding, whipping, churning, grating, mincing, and chopping. This makes it a versatile tool for various culinary tasks. It has high-grade nylon couplers for smooth operation. The clear polycarbonate domes and lids add to the quality. The sturdy handles are ergonomically designed for comfortable use. What we like. This mixer grinder features a 550-watt motor and comes with 3 stainless steel jars for various grinding needs. The blades are machine ground and polished for maximum grinding efficiency. If you are looking for a mixer grinder with multiple jar options and ergonomic design, this is the perfect choice. It's great for wet and dry grinding, whipping, and more. What people say. The 110-volt version is perfect for use in the US, and it handles a variety of tasks like grinding spices, making smoothies, and blending effortlessly. The motor is powerful, yet it runs relatively quietly. The large jar grinds to a smooth, creamy consistency, whereas the middle jar leaves visible bits of spinach. The middle jar is better for chutney rather than creamy smoothies. The large jar also works great for hummus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.